The Cold Regions Research and Engineering Laboratory is developing winter route planning software that will make it easier for warfighters, emergency responders, and other public safety officials to plan the safest, most efficient routes in winter conditions.
The winter route planning algorithm is an algorithm that allows you to essentially get the Google Maps for tactical use. So we take in the additional snow information that you wouldn't get for an on-road situation, taking the slope, the elevation, and a few of the key parameters, and vehicle-specific information for whatever vehicle you want to use, and a start point and an end point, and it plans your route for you given those limitations that you have or given the terrain conditions you have. And you can also put in constraint areas. So this is where the tactical side of things come in. You put in a constraint area saying, I can be seen over there, or this road's, the bridge is out, so we can't use it. So you can put in constraint areas and it'll route you around those different areas. So the algorithm takes into account things like snow depth, elevation, slope, and then it feeds it into other parameters that use solar radiation, so you get more melt on the southern side in the spring versus the northern side. The algorithm also takes into account vehicle parameters, so what vehicle information you have, whether you have tracks on it or wheels, the tractive effort for the vehicle, and then it uses all that to calculate optimal routes based on the amount of work required by the vehicle to traverse that area. And sometimes it's a no-go area, you just can't get there. End users here could be anywhere from Customs and Border Patrol. It can be used for tactical planning. So it could be anywhere from the Army, the Marines, the Navy. All of those guys could use things like this. A lot of those things don't exist, and certainly they don't exist for winter environments right now. That's the unique niche that CRREL is filling right here, is the winter application of this winter route planning. The single biggest thing that we all care about is aiding the warfighter. How can we keep the warfighter safe? How can we save lives? So up in the Arctic, mobility is king up there. If you're not mobile, forget the enemy. If you have temperatures that are minus 50 outside and you're stuck somewhere, that's as good as having the enemy right there beside you, because you need to have your vehicles.